You're a clinical researcher, and you want to conduct a new research study involving humans. Well, you'll be required to adhere to various types of regulations and institutional policies. The viability of the study lies with compliance with such policies, which in turn depend on the accuracy of the relevant paperwork, the application, and the approval forms. Let's get started. This is going to take some time. Once you've completed all the forms, the wait begins, as each form must be approved by the relevant departments and committees involved in the study. So you send the applications out. This is now off your hands, and it shouldn't take long before the study begins. Or so you think. But are you sure you didn't forget to send any forms to any reviewer? Or 2? Or 3? If you don't know the involvement of one or more departments, then you're bound to miss sending them an approval form. And if they don't know about your study, it's impossible for them to contact you to let you know. How would you know if you missed seeking an approval from a relevant department? Are you sure you communicated with all relevant departments? If you believe that simply completing the missing paperwork and sending it in as needed will be enough, think again. Since you're not the only researcher that has submitted a new study for approval, when you do need to resubmit, it's going to take much more effort to coordinate approval of the study. Research involving humans is complicated. Yes, most approval processes are cumbersome, repetitive, and uncoordinated. What if there was a more coordinated, transparent, and efficient approval process for clinical researchers? Well, there is. CAPCR, or Coordinated Approval Process for Clinical Research, helps you get the right information to the right reviewer at the right time. It's a user-focused, web-based application that streamlines approval processes required to conduct research studies. Here's how. Imagine CAPCR as a one-stop shop for clinical researchers. It allows them to use a single application where only the required information for approval is collected. This reduces duplication and repetition and eliminates error-prone, paper-based processes. CAPCR ensures that all approvals relating to service providers, impact assessments, and regulatory requirements are included in your approval process, and their progress is fully tracked. Did you forget something? Not to worry. CAPCR navigates you through your institution's approval framework, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to submit any forms to any review groups. Oh, and CAPCR also provides you with tailored application forms relevant to the type of study you are conducting. CAPCR promotes increased communication regarding reviews, study information, and patient safety, allowing for transparency throughout the study. CAPCR uses a single data repository for study documents. This allows for greater access to the most recently approved study-related information, avoiding confusion, repetition, and ensuring all approvals are obtained. Imagine working on parallel submissions with options for staging reviews, or in other words, being able to have some reviewers conduct their approvals before or after others. CAPCR is also customizable and scalable. CAPCR was created following the most comprehensive standards, and its modules can be easily integrated with existing systems to suit your institutional needs. But let's say you already have an electronic REB system at your institution. Why would you set up CAPCR? Well, an electronic REB system is only a partial solution. CAPCR offers a complete solution for all stakeholders involved in the approval of a study. If you're a small institution with less than 100 studies a year, CAPCR can work for you. 500 or more studies? No problem. Imagine the impact that a streamlined and coordinated application approval process can make, and one that offers secure online access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Bring innovation to your organization. CAPCR, moving your research forward.